Betty's cooking channel. Today I'm going to be making some collard greens, some old-fashioned collard greens. I use my scissors here to cut off some of the leaves. I'm going to get rid of the stems. I don't want those. So I'll show you a few of these where I'm taking the leaves off the stems, but I'm going to cut off my camera in a few minutes because there's quite a few of them to clean, okay? And then I'm going to rinse them really well after I remove all of the stems, and I'm going to cut them up small. Half an onion and a large clove of garlic. I chopped it up with my food processor. So let me just go ahead and add it to the pan. I added 2 tablespoons avocado oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my onions and garlic. wash my greens several times. This is about 1.5 pounds of collard greens. I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of sea salt. About a tablespoon of Louisiana hot sauce. And about a teaspoon of sugar. Collard greens, you always want to add a little sugar to it. Okay, and I'm gonna find my cayenne pepper and add just a little cayenne pepper, probably about a pinch of cayenne pepper to the greens. Okay, and the cayenne pepper, a little bit down, not much at all. And I'm gonna add 1.5 cups of water. Add 2 smoked turkey legs to the pan here. I'm gonna remove the skin because I don't want all that fat in there. I added another cup of water. It's been cooking for about an hour. Add another 2 cups of water to it because the turkey is not tender enough for me. Okay, the greens cooked for 1 hour and 40 minutes. This is how I like them. I probably could have cooked them in the Instant Pot about 45 minutes, but I just wanted to make sure that I see the greens and be able to check on them when I want to. So this is why I cooked them this way. So let me taste them. I'm gonna taste them and then I'm gonna take the bones out of the greens. They look really delicious. They're very good. Seasoned just right. It is so good. Let me just go ahead and take the bones out and then I'll let you see it. These greens remind me of my mother's greens. This is how she used to cook her greens on the stove top. She didn't have an Instant Pot back in the day, and they are delicious. Simple but delicious. Thank you guys for watching my video. Have a wonderful day.